I always find it humorous watching a routing video that's showing off how great a system's dust collection is, but the file is only using a single tool, usually cutting a generally thin product with the dust boot adjusted perfectly. At MultiCam, routers are most often sold as an automatic tool changing system, which obviously picks up tools of varying lengths. In order to achieve maximum particulate pickup, the operator is required to manually adjust the dust hood for each tool per material thickness. Rarely do I see operators take the time to do so, even though we make the manual adjustment easy. What if the dust hood could do that adjustment for you automatically? That is exactly what the active dust boot does. The operator simply teaches the dust boot how much above or below the dust bristles need to be to the tool tip. When executing a job file, you'll notice how the bristles maintain that distance to the surface of the material regardless of the different tool lengths, material thickness, or depth per pass. Not only keep your work area clean, but also cut more sheets per day because your operator doesn't have to stop production to make manual dust boot adjustments or do excessive cleanup.